Hi students, look at this problem. By rearranging the given numbers, evaluate. First question solution: 4 into 125 into 8 into 5. 8 into 5. So 4 and 5 write together into 125 into 8 write together. Okay? Rearranging means we can arrange them. 4 5s are 20. Calculation should be easy when we calculate. 125 8s are how much? 1000. So 2 1s are 2. 1 2 3 4 zeros as it is. So 20,000. So what is the answer here? 20,000. Okay? Look at the second one. Simple calculations. 25 into 50 into 8. 25 into 50 into 4 I'll write 4 twos. Sorry, 8 I can write 4 twos. Because 25 4 I'll arrange together into 50 into 2 arrange together. Okay? Anyway we can do it, no problem. Answer should be correct, that's all. 25 4s are 100, 50 2s are 100. So only thing is calculation should be easy. Okay? So therefore answer is 10,000. Okay? Now look at the third one. Third one solution: 2 into 487 into 50. Now how do you arrange these numbers? 2 into 50 I'll write together because it is 100. Into 487 we can write. 52 is 100 into 487. So 487 into 100 how much? 487 48,700. So you need not calculate. In the mind itself you have to calculate and write, not separate. Okay? That is called arranging. By rearranging the given numbers, we have to evaluate the following. Okay? Next one. Fourth one. See the fourth question. 25 into 444 into 4. So how do you arrange 25 into 4 together into 444 together? 25 4s are 100, 444 as it is. So 444 as it is 0 0. Simple calculation. Is it clear? So 44,400. Okay. That is the way you have to calculate. Fifth one, same model. 225 into 20 into 50 into 4. So these 2,000, right? 5 2s are 10. 50 20s are 1000. So I'll make 225 into 4 together into 20 into 50 together. Okay. 225 4s are how much? 4 5s 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Right? 900. Into here what do you get? 5 2s are 10. 2 zeros as it is. Okay. So 225 4s are how much? 900. So you can calculate 9 1s are 9. 3 plus 2. 5 zeros as it is you have to write. Okay? 9 lakh. So what is the answer here? 9 lakh. Okay? That is the way you have to calculate. Right. Look at the second question now. In the previous class, I explained some properties like a closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property. Okay. So, that properties, along with that properties, we have one more property that is called distributive property. Distributive property. The distributive property says, suppose you take three numbers, whole numbers, x into y plus z equal to x into y plus x into z. For both, you have to apply that x value. Okay. So if there is x value in both the terms, we can take it out common. That is called a distributive property. Since x lies on left side, this is called the left distributive property. Suppose if this x is on right side, like y plus z into x equal to y into x plus z into x, this is called right distributive property. If x is on left side, that is called left distributive property. If x is on right side, right distributive property. Now look at in every problem, there is one number common. See, 284, 284, 55873, 55873, 7984, 7984, 8324, 8324. See that 3333, 3333, 397, 397, 828, 828 into 1 will be there. Did you observe that? In every problem, there is one common term, number. Okay, that is called the distributive property. I am going to use that property now. Distributive property says, suppose a into b plus c, if you take a into b plus a into c, that a can be applied for both the numbers. Okay, that is called distributive property. Now using the distributive property, I am taking common term I am putting out. Look at that problem once clearly. I will explain. That common term, what is the first one? First one solution, 679 into 8 plus 679 into 2. What is the common number here? 679, right? I am taking it out. So what is remaining here? 8 plus 2 as it is. Hope it is clear. What is the common number here? 679, 679. I am keeping it outside. Okay, 679 I am putting out. What is the remaining numbers here? 8 plus 2. Okay. 679 into 8 plus 2 value I know 10. So 6790. It is easy to multiply. Okay. So what did I use here? Property? Distributive property. Distributive property is used here. Okay, if you like to write left distributive property, you can write left distributive property also, no problem. Because it is on left side. So what is the answer here? First one answer? 6790. Okay. Look at the second one. What is second one? 284 into 12 minus 284 into 2. Now clearly it is understood. What is the common number here? 284, 284. Common is there. So put it out. 284 into. What is remaining here? 12. What is remaining here? 2. 284 is kept outside by using distributive property. You write full form there. Distributive property. So 284 into 12 minus 2 I know 10. So 2840. Answer is, so 2840. That is the answer. Okay? Clear now? So which property we are using to do these all problems? we are using distributive property. Okay. Without any rough calculation, you should be able to do these problems. Okay. Orally. One more we will see. Third one. Third one, what is given? 55873 into 94 plus 55873 into 6. Now clearly it is understood what is common number here. 55873 is the common number. So 94 plus 6 as it is. Since distributive property must write it. Okay, under same system. So 55873 into 94 plus 6 I know 100. So it is easy to calculate 873, put 2 zeros. Given number followed by 2 zeros, that is my answer. So what is the answer here? 5587300. So how do you read this number? 55,87,300. That is the answer. Okay. Now fourth one we will see. Fourth one, 7984 into 15 minus 7984 into 5. Now clearly it is understood what is the common number here. 7984. So take it outside. 7984 into 15 minus 5. Since distributive property. Which distributive property? Left side. Left distributive property. So 7984 into 10. So 79,840 as it is. So what is my answer here? 79,840. That is the final answer. Okay. Fourth is completed. Now fifth one. Fifth solution. 8324 into 1945 minus 8324 into 945. Clearly it is understood 8324 common, no? 8324 common. So what is remaining? 1945 minus 945. Since distributive property, you write that full form. So 8324 into, if you subtract this, what will you get? 1000, right? So what is the answer here? 8324, 3 zeros as it is. So 83,24,000. 83,24,000. Okay. Sixth one. What is the sixth one? 3,333 into 987 plus 13 into 3,333. What is the common here? 3,333 into 987 plus 13. Since distributive property, I am using here distributive property, right? 3,333 into this will be 1000, no? So this number is followed by 3 zeros. 33,33,000. So answer is 33,33,000. Okay? It is easily understood. Distributive property. Let us see seventh one. Seventh one. 397 into 7 plus 397 into 3. What is the common number here? 397 common, 7 plus 3. What is remaining numbers here? If you take the 397 common, 7 plus 3. Since by using distributive property. So 397 into 7 plus 3 how much? 10. So 3970. So answer is 397. Eighth one. 828 into 101 minus 828 into, if there is nothing we can take it as 1 there. What is the common number here? 828 common. So what is remaining here? 101 minus 1. Clearly it is understood 101 minus 1 is how much? 100. So 828 is followed by 2 zeros. Since distributive property. Distributive means it is distributive property is true for addition as well as subtraction also. Okay. 82800. So therefore answer is 82800. Okay. That is the end of 8th solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.